The show where we interview staff at our school and learn something new about them. Brought to you by the Marshall County Media Arts class. My name is Olivia Flickinger, and today I'm here with Ms. Paige Buchanan. Can you explain your job here at the high school?
Yes, ma'am. So my job here at the high school is to run the Youth Service Center. So the Youth Service Center is a place kids can come for anything from household things they might need to school supplies to maybe parents need help with an electric bill, water bill, whatever we can do to kind of remove any non-academic barrier is what we like to do so they can be their best self at school and just focus on school things here.
What do you offer at the mission?
Yes, so the mission offers anything from school supplies to clothing, hygiene products, and then we also are able to give like different resources like counseling referrals, and we can help with job assistance, different things like that.
You have a very interesting career. How do you get into a job like yours?
Yes, so getting into my job was kind of funny. I was kind of working at the bank, and one of my cousins had called me, and he was like, we have this job at the high school in our youth service center. What would you think about doing it? I know your mom did that when you were growing up. What do you think? And I was like, actually, I would love that. I get to be around people. I get to serve. So I will apply immediately, and I did, and I got the job, so it's been a lot of fun.
What kind of school is required for this kind of job?
Yes, so to be the youth service coordinator, you need a bachelor's degree. So I did end up going to the Cumberlands, and I got that in human resources.
Have you always wanted to do something like this?
Honestly, no. I'll be honest, I had no idea really what I wanted to do. I was kind of interested in this, but I didn't have like just one thing. I just knew I wanted to be around people and just do something kind of fun and different. So it's good because the job's different every single day, which makes it a lot more fun.
The mission just organized a mental health fair last Friday. Are there any more plans to do something like this in the future?
Yes, we will plan, honestly, every single year to do the mental health fair. We might end up doing it twice a year just because I think the people that came, all the community members and the vendors, do a really great job of providing information and other resources you all might need that you're not really sure about, but that are available in our community.
What's the most important thing about your job?
I think the most important thing about my job is really the ability to serve in like a different aspect, because it is, I feel like it is a very kind of Christian kind of job, but it's also just something meaningful that, I don't know, I feel like sometimes I don't need to take it lightly, because getting to serve others is so important, and getting to serve kids, kind of just high school level, is just so important because y'all are about to be out doing your own thing. So getting to provide you with as much as possible is really special.
You are now a mom of twins. How's that going?
Scary, terrifying, all the things, and figuring out you can function on little to no sleep. But it's been a lot of fun. Thad and I do a good job of rotating whose night is what and all the good things. So tonight, say a prayer for me, because it will be me.
What do you do outside of school for fun?
Outside of school for fun, I love to shop, I love to travel. Finding different places and experiences is one of our favorite things to do. Different restaurants, stuff like that. This weekend we're going out of town, so we're really excited to find some fun things to do.
I know you love your job, but what would you do if you didn't work for the mission?
If I did not work for the mission, I think I still would go back and find something else where I can serve people and just be around people, whether that's back at the bank or something like that. I think would be fun. I also think like marketing, something like that could be a lot of fun too.
Thank you so much for being here. We really do appreciate everything that you do for the mission and for the students.
Thanks for having me.
I'm Olivia Flickinger with the Marshall Media Arts class, and thank you for watching Marshall Close Up.